National Weather Service in Fort Carson issued a tornado warning for southeastern Fulton County in northern Tejas, southwestern Brooklyn County in northern Tejas, until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large, damaging tornado was located near Bassett, or about 7 or 8 miles west-southwest of Patterson, moving east-northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include, but may not be limited to Patterson, Los Planos, Belton, Haynesville, and Cordova Ranch. The most dangerous part of this storm will be near Patterson by 7:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, Los Planos by 7:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, Cordova Ranch by 8:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, Haynesville by 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Do not use highway overpasses for shelter. If in a mobile home, evacuate it immediately and get inside a more substantial shelter. If you are caught outside, take shelter in a nearby reinforced building, as a last resort. If you cannot find substantial shelter, then take cover in a ditch, culvert, or other low spot, and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for northern Tejas and south central Sequoia.